Assalamualaikum and good day to all. Before I begin, I would like to share quote with you that today a reader, tomorrow a leader. From Margaret Fuller, a full-time book reviewer. I am Muhammad Amir Harif bin Abdul Hani from Sekolah Kebangsaan Jawi, Sekolah Berprestasi Tinggi. My school code is 4013. I am excited to be here to share my talk about my favorite book that keep me on the edge of my seat. The title of book is School of Thieves. It was written by Sabrina Ismail, who is a Malaysian writer. The book was published by Bukit Malaysia. There are 102 pages and priced at RM15. The theme of this book is criminal mastermind, as well as family struggle and revenge. The main character in this book is Amra De Silva, the skillful thief. The setting of School of Thieves is in United States. The story begins with Amra being caught by an organization during robbing her father's house. When she thought that she will be punished, it turns out that she is being trained to become a criminal mastermind. The author used a straightforward language, and what I love most is that the dialogue that reflects the real language in daily life. The moral of the story, it was should always find an opportunity and make use of it properly to release ourselves from any difficulties. My opinion, School of Thieves is a must-read material. The language is clear and make reading enjoyable. To my friends and the book lovers out there, I would highly recommend to get this quality book. It is a story that will keep you guessing the ending. And always remember, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. With that, thank you.